In this video, I will show you how to use the power of Claude and artificial intelligence to transform your WordPress headlines from boring to brilliant in just a few seconds. If you have ever struggled with low click-through rates or felt that your subheadings were a bit repetitive, this simple trick is going to be a total game changer for your content strategy. The secret lies in a single, highly effective prompt that forces the AI to audit your existing work and rewrite it for maximum engagement without losing your SEO value. To get started, you need to open Claude and prepare your specific article details. The process is incredibly straightforward because you do not need a complicated series of steps. You are going to use a specific prompt that tells Claude exactly what to do. You will ask the AI to find and read your WordPress post specifically by its exact article title. You then instruct it to analyze the main H1 title along with every single H2 and H3 subheading for both readability and emotional engagement. The goal is to make these headlines more punchy and benefit-driven so they naturally grab the attention of your readers. One of the most important parts of this prompt is telling Claude to keep your primary keyword naturally within the main H1 title so your search rankings stay intact while your click-through rates soar. Once you paste the prompt and include your specific title and target keyword, Claude will generate a revised structure for your entire post. You can then simply copy these improvements back into your WordPress editor. This method saves you hours of brainstorming and ensures that every single section of your blog post is optimized to keep people reading. It is an amazing way to refresh old content or polish new drafts before they go live. Try this today to see your engagement metrics climb.